Hey folks, welcome to another episode of Monster Legends Universe. Premier sales. Skip. Okay, so let's collect some coins. Bam, 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 bam. Got some food. Got some maize coins. You saw those green swirly things. Okay, so we got the dungeons here. Gems. Dungeons of books, and survival dungeon. Like I said, dungeons are going to be a little bit tough at the beginning because we might not even have enough monsters or the right kind of monsters. See, we don't have any monsters that fits the rules. Again, this one's VIP. VIP is basically special monsters that you buy. You have to buy them. Gems ones. Okay, let's check this out. Unfortunately, we only have two that meets the criteria. The third one is we need a lady. We need a female monster, and we don't have any. So we're just gonna try with what we have right now. Here we go. Okay, so fur punch, Tarzan yell, or head punch. Pretty weak. Okay, this one seems okay. 70 life. 70 life for 70 life. Fire dart, love the fire dart. You gotta burn those monsters up. Okay, so he's got a shield. So when they apply the shield, so you gotta look at their health plus whatever the shield is. Okay, so we're not looking too good here. Again, we have only two monsters to go with. See, he's applying another shield of 58 to this worm monster and attacking us with life of 80 and a head punch, and we are done, folks. Well, not in a good way, but unfortunately we are limited what we can do right now, so we're just gonna keep on going. I'm gonna bypass the gems dungeons for now, go to adventure dungeon. So wave 1 of 2, wave 2 of 2. Okay, let's hope this time around we have a little bit better luck. We're against the pterodactyls. So fire, burning. Okay, they're pretty strong. And they keep attacking my beetle guy. Not very pleased, not pleased at all. Okay, so our Tarzan guy was able to heal the fire breathing dude. And we could do a fire drizzle to burn hopefully another monster. And send him burning. Burning. So arc flash. Okay, head punch, Tarzan yell, or fur punch. Yes, we could get rid of potentially two, but you know what? The other two are burning, so I'm trying to, slowly wind them down, make them less powerful. Okay, so as you can see, that guy's gonna burn by himself, the middle guy, and he's gonna die. So we basically have one monster left to go. Okay, now it's gonna come the mini boss, the giant pterodactyl. Okay, his name is Boss Pterodactyl. So burning's always good. I'm gonna try dazing him too. So he has 25% less power and 25% less accuracy. Just gonna keep on attacking this boss pterodactyl till he is gone. Okay, miss. See, as you can see, those misses are because he's getting dazed. He is dazed. So 25% chance of missing. That's what it is. turn loss. That's good. And then he's gonna go again and he's gonna burn, because there you go. Very close to finishing him off. That's why, folks, don't give up. Just keep on fighting and you should be victorious. Okay, 1 star, and our reward is, yes. So we got 5 gems and we get an egg. Okay, and we move on to the next island in the adventure map. So we got 3 Rucolas, 2 level 11s, level 11, level 11, level 11s, and 1 level 12 who's burning up right now. He's gonna do a mud slap on my face. Okay, so 70 life. Last turn for my Kung Fu Panda. They're really attacking him, man. Burn, burn, burn. Oh, missed. Oh, missed. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Oh. Bye-bye, Kung Fu Panda. And oh no, they got life shield going. So life shield again is on top of their regular health. So the bottom right Rockilla monster is 371 plus 111. And the top one's got a life shield now too. And the life shield is a green icon right below the guys. Both of them have the life shields on right now. He just keeps on applying the life shield over and over again. Okay, so hopefully we'll try and burn this guy. It's not gonna happen. So it shows you what the life shield is left after the attack. So he has no life shield left. And this guy's burning. Oh, and he's gonna apply another life shield. So just about patience here. Thinking we're gonna be victorious, but just gonna take a little patience to go through the life shield, because gotta get rid of the regular health and then on top of that the life shield as well. So don't give up, keep on fighting. He's burning, so his life shield's gone, and then he applies another life shield. That's his finisher, which is healing. Oh yeah, burn that rubber, baby. Okay. Wow, his life shield's 222 now. It's even stronger. So as you can probably see that he's doing more of just life shield than attacking us, so it kind of gives us a chance to try and attack him more. Learn about a lot of patience. This and overgrown jungle. Overgrown jungle. Okay, so that gives us healing. So our health is maximum right now, and also life regeneration. So they attack us and we heal every time. See, regeneration and our 50% damage. We got unfortunately recharge, and this guy we might have to recharge. Yep, we have to recharge him too because our stamina is almost done. Okay, he keeps doing his finisher. So basically all the attacks will go to the bottom monster. No matter who we attack, even the top one, it's gonna go to him, and he is pretty strong right now. So I'm going to try attacking the top or the bottom, because it doesn't really matter, because the health is going to be taken out at the bottom. Okay, here we go. Turn lost. And that's my cat, folks. My one of 2 kitties I got. Okay, so 111 burning. Shield applied. And let's try and finish this guy here. There you go. Fire dart. Hopefully he burns. He does not. That's okay. At point 70. Like, no, not the life shield again. And you saw at the bottom it says immunity to daze as well. So you see that green one, which has the daze, so we can't daze him. And he burned to death. Victory is ours. Yes, folks, yes. We have finished the 3 Rockula. Okay, so here we go on to the next level. So next level is 22. We're gonna come back, we're gonna collect some coins and keep watching Monster Legends universe. So I'm just gonna tidy up a little bit here. It's getting a little clustered. We're getting too many habitats and too many hatchery and everything. Okay, just checking who we got. Okay, so basically to go to the next level above 10, we need to build temples. So for this Kung Fu Panda guy, we gotta build 2 temples. So I'm gonna do one there, Temple of Nature. Finish that right away. And one more, which is the Temple of Fire. Okay. Put them right next to the hatchery there. Okay, so now our Kung Fu Panda could go up to level 20. So it's gonna help us in our battles. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe down below because this is just gonna keep on rolling in Monster Legends universe.